Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to disconnect Wi-Fi in Oppo phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here we already have Oppo mobile phone and this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone like that. Firstly, you have to move up and see this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone. Then you have to click on here setting icon. So click on the setting icon. After that, you have to see this type of app icons shown in your mobile phone like that. You have to see here. Then you have to see this type of icon if you want to disconnect Wi-Fi in this mobile phone. So you have to click on here Wi-Fi option. So click on here. Then you have to see that Wi-Fi network is already connected to your mobile phone. If you want to disconnect that Wi-Fi network, so click on here. Then you have to see here this type of app icon shown in your mobile phone. So click on the remove this network option. Now remove this Wi-Fi network, click on the remove option, and you have to see here in this way Wi-Fi is disconnected in your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you.